Change, uncertainty, fear of the unknown, all very daunting realities that hold us back individually and collectively from becoming the absolute best we can possibly be. I've seen it firsthand, working with top Fortune 100 companies, top NBA teams, high-level leadership organizations, the inability to hire the right type of people, the lack of communication that leads to unforeseen roadblocks of culture, and the complacency of settling for just good. Now, I've been very blessed to be able to be called into over 250 companies, work closely with over 200 NBA players and coaches, and have helped them break through barriers, shatter glass ceilings of limitations, and identify what is holding them back, and ultimately how to continue to take one step forward daily, together. And change, this uncertainty, this fear of the unknown, it will hold most people back, but not you, not any longer. Through 15 years of developing unshakable mindset tools that are applicable for consistent growth, no matter the situation or circumstance, transformation even when successful, when you're at the top, how to continue to grow. Don't get complacent and falling in love with the journey, in the process, the insatiable drive to continue to grow, to improve, to ultimately pour into yourself so that you can pour into the betterment of the team. Now, there have been books written on how to go from good to great. That's easy, but going from great to the next level, that's the challenge. That's the challenge I will guide you through how to conquer. I've helped Fortune 100 companies raise their stock prices. I've helped NBA players I worked with earn $3.8 billion in total. I've written Wall Street Journal best-selling books on how to take strategic, radical action, and I can show you how to do the same. You are one together. Remember that, operating for a bigger purpose, a life-transforming purpose to serve, to help, to better the lives of those you work with. One step forward today will change your entire tomorrow. Let's do it together.